What's happening in the world of Microsoft? We're kicking things off with Curi RMB Capital LLC, who just significantly boosted their stake in Microsoft Corporation, showing major confidence in the tech giant. But the big money moves don't stop there. Belmont Capital LLC also grew its position in Microsoft Corporation, signaling continued interest from institutional investors. Meanwhile, Wealth LLC has made a strategic adjustment, reducing their stake in Microsoft Corporation, while Crake Asset Management LLP has made a massive acquisition, nearly doubling their holdings in Microsoft Corporation. We've got all the details on these investor plays, plus the latest analyst upgrades and insider transactions that could impact MSFT's future. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Wall Street is buzzing about Microsoft Corporation, and Curi RMB Capital LLC is making a significant statement. They've lifted their holdings in MSFT by a substantial 4.6% in the first quarter, now owning over 379,000 shares. This move makes Microsoft their biggest holding, accounting for a massive 3.5% of their investment portfolio, valued at a staggering $142.6 million. But it's not just Curi RMB Capital LLC. Other institutional investors like Newton One Investments LLC and Ball & Co. Wealth Management Inc. have also been actively adjusting their Microsoft stakes. Even top analysts are chiming in, with Wall Street Zen upgrading Microsoft to a buy and UBS Group reiterating their buy rating with an increased price objective. The market reaction has been strong, with MSFT trading up and analysts giving it a consensus moderate buy rating. What does this mean for your portfolio? We'll break it all down. Don't go anywhere, the market insights are just getting started. Next, we're diving into another significant investment shift with Belmont Capital LLC's latest moves. Belmont Capital LLC is making waves in the Microsoft Corporation ecosystem. In the first quarter, they grew their position in MSFT by a notable 7.2%, adding nearly 7,000 shares to their portfolio. This strategic increase makes Microsoft their fourth largest holding, now valued at an impressive $38.4 million. This move comes as other investors like Fosun International Limited and Gagnon Securities LLC are also adjusting their positions. Analysts are keeping a close eye, with Raymond James Financial boosting their price objective to $570 and Stifel Nicolaus reiterating a buy rating. The market sentiment remains strong, with a consensus moderate buy from analysts. We'll explore what this sustained institutional interest means for Microsoft's future trajectory. Curious about how these investment shifts align with broader market trends? Next up, we're examining a company that's actually trimming its Microsoft stake and what that could signal. Wealth LLC has made a strategic adjustment to its Microsoft Corporation holdings. In the first quarter, they reduced their stake by 8.4%, selling over 1,000 shares. While this makes Microsoft their 12th largest position, now valued at $4.3 million, it's a notable change from other investors increasing their exposure. This move comes amidst a flurry of activity from other firms like Newton One Investments LLC, which boosted its stake, and new positions taken by Ball & Co. Wealth Management Inc. and LSV Asset Management. Analysts remain largely optimistic, with Bank of America lifting its price objective to $640 and Loop Capital following suit. We'll analyze the potential reasons behind Wealth LLC's decision and what it might mean for the broader investment landscape. As investor strategies diverge, one thing is clear: Microsoft is a constant focus. Get ready for a massive play from Crake Asset Management LLP in our next segment. Prepare for a major shakeup. Crake Asset Management LLP has gone all in on Microsoft Corporation, dramatically boosting its stake by a staggering 57.7% in the first quarter. They've acquired an additional 370,000 shares, bringing their total to over 1 million, and making Microsoft their largest holding by far, valued at an incredible $379.7 million. This aggressive move positions them to capitalize on Microsoft's growth. They join other major players like Bank Transatlantique SA, and AQR Capital Management LLC, who also significantly increased their positions. Analysts are backing this bullish sentiment, with BMO Capital Markets raising their price target to $650 and Morgan Stanley upgrading to overweight. We'll delve into the implications of this substantial investment and what it means for Microsoft's stock. And that's just a glimpse of the big stories impacting Microsoft. Stay tuned for our rapid-fire recap and all the ways you can stay connected. And that's a wrap on today's Microsoft Market Movers. We saw Curi RMB Capital LLC significantly increase its stake in Microsoft Corporation. Belmont Capital LLC also grew its position. Wealth LLC made a strategic reduction, and Crake Asset Management LLP made a massive acquisition of MSFT shares. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all the latest updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Plus, follow us on all our social media channels for real-time insights and discussions. We'll see you in the next one.